Welcome to InvestorStream for the first time. After a lengthy suspension, AuKing Mining has been relisted on the ASX. Can you give listeners an indication of what's occurred recently from a corporate level?
Yeah, thanks, Alex. Look, thanks for the opportunity. It's been such a good day to kick things off again. The company's been on a journey for the last few years looking for new project opportunities. We landed on this Koongie Park copper zinc project in northern Western Australia. So in more recent times, we've completed a capital raising, successfully raised in excess of the maximum $7 million. That was an enormous achievement. Secured our shareholder approvals and obviously all of the reinstatement requirements of the ASX to secure relisting. So it's a great day. We've opened up a little bit below the offer price. I think we're currently trading at around about 16.5, 17 cents for the ordinary shares and 3 or 4 cents for the options. So things are looking interesting. We've had a existing shareholder base that has been around for a long time, and they were subject to a substantial consolidation. And some of the other investors under the prospectus have had to sit there for some time as well. So we're coming up to 30 June. Our job now is to look forward and present the opportunities that we think this company and this project can present, Alex. And we've got a new team, a new board, very experienced board with some terrific experience in the resource sector over a number of years. And it's good balance sheet, cash in the bank, no debt, and we're in a very strong position to really push this company forward now.
Okay, great. So you've entered into an earn-in for the Koongie Park project. Can you just give us a bit of background on the asset?
Yeah, sure. So the earn-in itself, Alex, essentially it's a 3-year earn-in. We spend $3 million over 3 years to get to 75%. Koongie Park is a project that's situated just outside the township of Halls Creek, way up in northeastern Western Australia. It's right on the Great Northern Highway, Highway 1. Has been quite a lot of work done on this asset over the years, and particularly around two deposits, San Diego and Oneida. We come into a project that's already got 6.5 million tonnes of JORC resource of copper, zinc, gold and silver, and there's a 500 square kilometre package of tenure. So we're sitting in an area that's very prospective. And we think there's a lot to happen. There's other companies that Pantoro operate their Nicholson's gold mine just down the road from some of our ground. We're just thrilled to, having looked at a number of projects over the last few years, we're just delighted to have landed on a project in a tier 1 mining location like Western Australia, especially in the current environment where you've, copper, the outlook for copper and zinc prices in particular is quite strong. We think it's a great opportunity. We couldn't be happier to have landed on this Koongie Park project.
Certainly sounds like a great project, Paul. Now, following the recent raise, I understand you're pretty well funded to start work there. What do shareholders have to look forward to over the next couple of months?
The main focus, Alex, is, and this is one of the advantages of raising the maximum $7 million, is what we can accelerate and expand on a drilling program. We're about to sign a drilling contract with a major drilling company in Western Australia to start a 7,000 metre drilling program in early August, which will be very focused on the 2 existing deposits with the intention of expanding the resource estimates around those 2 deposits. There's another very interesting area called EMAL, which was previously worked on by Northern Star before they went into the gold. There's a lot of interest in and around this work, and we think that the drilling program, it's going to go for several weeks. But as I say, it's a substantial program, and we'd be looking to generate some significant results for shareholders over the coming weeks and months. So that's our primary focus. The other area, obviously I mentioned before, the 500 square kilometres of tenure. We're going to do a targeting exercise of identifying potentially other areas of drilling potential. So that could well tack on to the end of this program once that targeting exercise is completed. But I think the primary focus and heavily involved in the planning for the drilling program, that's going to drive us over the next few months. But, very pleased. It's a busy time to secure drilling rigs and people, geologists, but we've all got all of that in place. The next few months is going to be a very interesting time for us.
Fantastic, Paul. Look, really appreciate you joining me today. There's certainly a few developments we can keep an eye on over the next few months. But again, all the best.
Terrific, Alex. Thank you.